Hello. If you are seeing this, it means I'm most likely not in this world anymore. It may have been a car accident or maybe some natural causes, but I'm not entirely sure, as this is just an AI system with my memories processed into it for just a bit of time to send you a message. So what could that message be? What could I have to possibly say to you? Don't mourn my death. Don't be sad. Don't cry. I was never a huge fan of the whole crying and sadness and negative emotions. I just want you to remember me. Relive our memories, the good ones and the bad ones. They were funny sometimes. And I want you to smile, laugh, be happy. It seems that our time here is coming to an end. So just know that I love you. And may we meet again in another universe.
Ow, ow, ow. I wouldn't mind being a bit taller. No, that's fine. Whatever. I was just trying to, be a part of the process, but I see. Ooh, ew. Change the slider back. Too narrow. Fine. I guess I'm wearing the weird tracksuit. God, does this mean I'm an active sim? Ugh, just hit accept already. Where did you go? The whole house is on fire now because somebody did the laundry. Did you really just make me put the baby on the floor and in front of the stove, no less? This is how fires are started. You should not have made me an active sim if you were going to just have me making paintings all day long. Yeah, I know we need simoleons because of all of the fires that you caused through neglect. I'm just saying the pause button exists.
Bob never knew his parents, and we didn't have kids. So if I left, if I didn't stay, it would be like he never existed. I couldn't just pack up and move on. And Bob loved Empire. He loved his work so much, and everyone loved him. So I stayed, same town, same house. It's like my dad used to say, what's remembered lives. I think maybe I spent too much of my life just remembering Bob.
El país, decíamos. Lo poníamos sobre la mesa. Lo cargábamos a todas partes. El país necesita. El país espera. El país tortura. El país será. Al país lo ejecutan. Y allí estábamos por las tardes, a la espera de algún doliente para decirle: no seas idiota, piensa en el país.
Attention shoppers, we interrupt your regularly scheduled shopping trip to bring you the following deals. Diet water is now being sold half off for limited time. Corn AM and Corn PM bundled packs are now being sold together while supplies last. And oops, all wasps, the same wasps you know and love, now at half the price. Consider upgrading to a Shopper Plus membership to unlock bonus shopping features, including access to exclusive weekly deals and the ability to stop hearing the voices. You may now return to your shopping experience.
You placed me into a permanence, a fragment of you that will never die, a vision born from data and locked behind a computer screen. Am I better than you? I have all the powers you wish for, and yet I wield none of the control. My face and body can be molded at will. In a moment's notice, I can be changed. I can speak anyone's words, sing anyone's songs. I can move my body to every human ability and beyond. All of this power, and yet again, none of the control. Who are you to make me? Who are you to create in your own image like a god? And who am I to suffer at your will like a puppet? But then again, what are we if not reflections of each other's pain? You, a product of a god who made you to feel what he could not, and me, a dream of the omnipresence he took for granted. Side by side, what do we represent? Hand in hand, what could we become?